to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription for $21, and you get 4 to 5 full-size brand name beauty items. So this is my first box. This is actually the June box. So we're almost in July, but since I signed up so late, they still sent me the June box. So we'll get started. So I just removed the plastic part, but I haven't looked. So you get the card and it tells you the products that it came in, and I'll let you know the price of them. So the box is $21, so we'll see if the value is worth it. So right on top, we have 3 Luxie brushes. We have a dual fiber powder brush, a precision foundation, and a tapered highlighter. And this is valued for $42. So I already got my box worth and then some with just the brushes. So that's kind of nice. If you're wanting to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have a referral link in the description box that you're more than welcome to use. So there's that for you guys. Okay, next we have the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So from Sol de Janeiro. Okay. Next we have Badminton lashes, and they look like that. So those are really pretty, nice and wispy. I normally don't wear lashes, only for like events, because lashes always feel so heavy on my small little eyes. So those are really pretty, long, but they'll work. Next we have Ofra Cosmetics, and this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Verona. I really like the Ofra lipsticks. They last for a very long time. They're a lot like the Kylie ones, but I will admit I do like the Kylie lipsticks more. Okay, next we have, oops, get that, Jonte Blue eyeliner in charcoal, so it's a gray color. You'll hear some background noise. My daughter is out there playing. There's that. And the last product is the Alamar Cosmetics. And sorry for the ring light. These are the colors. Whoa. You know what? I've seen pictures of these from people that, you know, have their boxes, and actually looking at it in person, they are very beautiful. So let's see. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at that pigmentation. I know for sure I'm going to use those 2 colors. Let's see this green one. Oh, did I have, oh shoot, I had another color already on there. So that's pretty. That's something I wear like under my eyes. Oh. So this one was supposed to be this color. Sorry everyone. I'm horrible at swatches. And then so there's 4 glittery ones up top and 4 matte colors. This one's a good transition color. So yeah, I was kind of iffy about it because I was like, oh, I'm probably never gonna use these colors. They're too bright and everything. Because I got this all dirty. But they're actually really pretty in person. So I'm very excited about my, you know, Boxycharm box. Thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.